Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Journey to Tech with Craig. Today I'm excited to announce something. I am so grateful that you guys have been supporting me in watching my videos, making your comments, and liking them as well. And I always have you, my viewers, at heart. I want to help you succeed. And I am so thrilled to continue to share my experiences of getting into the tech space with you. It is of course my hope that in sharing my stories and also that of others, it can help you in your journey into the tech space so that you are successful too. But then I also thought about it and said, in addition to continuing to share these experiences with you, why not also share knowledge of certain skills that you may need? Because of that, my viewers, I want to announce that I'm going to be starting a mini tutorial on a programming language called Python. You might say, programming language? Oh my gosh, this is going to be complex. You don't need to worry about it. I will do my very best to explain it to you in the simplest terms possible and also to point you to the resources that you can further use to upgrade your skills in this area. Stay tuned as I'm going to tell you why I'm going to do this tutorial series in Python and how it can benefit you. So what is Python? Python is a programming language that is often used to build websites and software, to automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. This programming language is very popular in areas such as software testing, which is my background. It is popularly used to create automated software testing scripts that enable the tester to test an application in an automated manner as opposed to doing certain things manually. It is also popular in data analytics, in other words, analyzing data to discover trends and patterns. And you may ask, why do I choose Python? That is because it is one of the programming languages that is in high demand in the tech space. If you search sites such as LinkedIn.com, Geeks for Geeks, and Simply Learn, you'll find that it is among the top programming languages that are sought after. Because it is used in so many versatile ways such as software development, automated software testing, and data analytics, it is very popular. Additionally, it is very easy to, let me correct that. It is fairly easy to learn compared to some other programming languages. I can testify to this because I can tell you, when I learned Java, I found it a little bit more difficult to learn than Python. And I did a Python test and a Java test. I scored higher in the Python test. So, because it is a popular programming language, I want to introduce it to you so that you can start to learn the skills and hopefully start applying these skills so that you can make yourself more marketable in your journey into the tech space. So with no further ado, I'm going to introduce the first tutorial, which will tell you how to set up Python and how to create your first programming script. Are you ready to delve into this? Let's go! The first item we're going to install is Jupyter Notebooks. It is found on a software called Anaconda. So what we're going to do is first go to this site, which is anaconda.com/download to download a free version of Anaconda. When you click here, by default, it will show you Windows, but also if you have other systems, you can click on the respective systems, Windows, Apple, and Linux. So under the section called Get Additional Installers, and that's where you'll see the additional installers there as well. But for now, since I have Windows, I'm just going to click download. Before we do that though, it's very important that with Windows especially, you check to see if your system is either 32-bit or 64-bit. And I think based on this, it seems to pick up automatically what type of system you're using.
I'm using a 64-bit, so that's what will be downloaded. So I click download. I'm going to save it here. Wait for it to download. Downloading. And it should be complete shortly. Alright, still waiting for it. And the download is complete. Okay, now that our download is complete, we're gonna click on the download history and then we're gonna click on Anaconda. And we're going to go through the Anaconda installation wizard to install the Anaconda program. So just wait a little and the wizard comes up. We click next on most options. For example, here we click next. We click on I agree. If you want to read through the license agreement, you can do so. For now, I'm clicking I agree. You can install it either just for yourself, if you're the only person who's using the machine. If you're using a machine that's used by others and you know they're going to need something like this, then you can choose all users. For now, I will choose just me. Then it will show you where it's gonna store your file. It's gonna show you the space that's required. You click on next. Gives you the option to create start menu shortcuts. Register Anaconda as my default Python 3.11. I'll keep the defaults and just install. So wait for it to install. Almost there. Alright, looks like our Anaconda has finished installing. We click next. It says everything you love about Anaconda now available. Click next again. And then you have an option if you want to launch the Anaconda Navigator, or you want to click getting started with Anaconda distribution. You can keep these options checked if you wish to launch these things. For now, I'm just gonna leave this one, launch Anaconda Navigator, and click finish. Alright, so wait a little bit so that the Anaconda can launch so that we can view our Jupyter notebook.